guys, and today we're going to make paint which is safer for children, and even if they accidentally eat some, they'll be all fine. First you need to get the glue from the other video how to make glue. I will leave a link in the description. So, if you don't know how to make this glue, then please go to the description and watch that video. So, now, you need some food coloring. And I will just take this spoon out, and then I'll get this. Open the food coloring. Yay, it's easy to open the first time. And then put some in. It's so hard to do it. It is adding. Come on. Okay. Let's put it away. Now let's get our spoon and mix it. Mix, mix, mix. I hope it does work just how I thought it would. Oh, I think I need a bit more. Yep, I do. Okay, done. Just some more. Just some more on the door. Okay. I hope it works. Check, 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 check. It might be a failed video, but I don't care. La 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 la, la 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 la. Do you think that it changed color? I don't know. Okay, I think we should add some more food coloring. Food coloring is going inside. La 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 la. The food coloring in. La la la. This food coloring does also dry really quickly, so this food coloring will make this not dry as quickly. Well, dry quickly, I mean. I need to... what shall I do now? Take this off. Why did I just put my finger in this? Okay, I know it's messy, but it is possible. So let's just put some more in. Go inside. Inside. Okay. Let's mix it all up now. Okay, it's gone sort of pinkish. And that's what I was looking for. Look, it's so pinkish. La 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 la. It's not a failed video now. This can take a little while, but it's worth the little while. Let's add some more in to make it super pink. I mean, I don't know even why. Why not blue or green? Well, I don't have blue food coloring, but I do have some green and yellow and what else? White. But we don't want white because that will make normal glue color. And we're not doing the glue video again. Because that one was really hard. And it's gone again. Okay, I think that we will add only a bit more and I think we're finished then. It takes such a while. I hope my YouTube limit won't go out. Time limit, I mean. Look guys, just look. I am trying it not to spill it all over the place. Wait, I'm so scared I will spill it everywhere. Let's get a piece of paper over here and I'll show you guys. Look how pink the spoon is. Oh my goodness, it made the pink dots. Okay, this is ready. Okay, we don't need any more. So, let's just put it away. Now, because we've got all of the paint ready, and it's really, really liquidy, we can actually make fingerprints with this. And it's just like the, the powder thingy that you, it doesn't matter. Let's put this piece of paper here. And then let's try to make a fingerprint. I mean, why not? Let's make a fingerprint. Just like, okay, oh my goodness, I get my fingers in this. Yay! La 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 la. Let's put some everywhere. Lump, the lump. So let's just press. Yay! It's very, very good paint. Now let's try to paint something with this paint. So I'll put the spoon here. So let's get our paintbrush and dip it in and whoa! You can also use this paint like just as glue, but I think it's more useful as paint. Guys, look! It's so incredible. It's so magical. It's the most magical paint in the world. It's so magical. Maybe they used this paint to paint diamonds because it's so magical. It looks so good. Okay, I think that it's the time we should end this video. Oh my goodness, and it's so long already. And I've nearly, oh my goodness. So I think it's time to end this video. So bye, guys. With my painty hand. Bye. Bye-bye.